day one. I'm currently in Atlanta for the National Black MBA Conference. I'm checked into my hotel and I'm actually about to walk to the venue so that with my interviews tomorrow and Friday, I'll be familiar with where I'm walking and not like confused. So let's get into the fit. Glasses are Prada, necklaces are Akano and Omi Woods. This is one of my favorite dresses. It's from Zara. My tote bag is Saint Laurent, and got my Apple Watch to track my steps. So let's go and check in. And throughout the vlog, I'll be sharing a few tips and tricks that I felt helped me have a successful time at the conference, and I hope you find them helpful. All right, guys, so I've registered, bam, have my health check bracelet, and pretty much just getting a feel for the grounds, because tomorrow I actually have 3 interviews back to back, and I just want to have an idea of where I'm walking to and not be late and rushing and stressed. Looks like this is where the Career Expo is. So I found where the Career Expo will be. It looks like brands and companies are still setting up, so I'm not gonna walk in, but I have an idea of what it looks like. So I'm very comfortable. I know where I'm going tomorrow. Yeah, looks good. All right, back to the hotel we go. First tip I would say is register for the conference as early as possible. That is the reason why I was able to have 3 to 4 interviews already lined up for me by the time I got there. So step 1, register early. All right, guys, it's day 2 of the National Black MBA, and I have a few interviews lined up. So I'm headed out and about. Got my registration yesterday. So let's go. 2, research and set goals. Once you're registered, before you attend the conference, take time to research the agenda, keynote speakers, networking opportunities, and set specific goals for what you want to achieve. Why do you want to attend, and what do you want to get out of it? Whether it's connecting with your peers, industry leaders, attending certain workshops, finding a new job, or just networking to grow in your industry. It's interview time. Wish me luck. Practice your elevator pitch. There are so many networking opportunities during the conference, and it's so important to have a clear and concise elevator pitch ready. Practice introducing yourself, highlighting your professional backgrounds or your entrepreneurial goals, stating your objectives for attending the conference. This will definitely help make you a strong candidate and leave a lasting impression while you're networking. Guys, meet my friend Noma. Time for the after party. Today was an amazing day. She's in Atlanta for work. I'm in Atlanta to find work. 4, network. There are so many company activations, after parties, networking events, and happy hours. Don't be afraid to say hi. I attended this conference by myself, and I still made it a point to say hi to a person I'm standing next to. Don't be shy. There are so many people that attend by themselves, and this is the perfect opportunity to step out of your comfort zone, network, say hello to your neighbor. You just never know who you're gonna meet. 5, prepare to connect. In the spirit of networking, stepping out of your comfort zone, meeting new people, get your digital and physical business cards ready. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is up to date and that you have digital business cards ready to share. And in case you didn't know, in the LinkedIn app, you can actually swipe over in your profile to show a QR code that you can easily scan to share your profile with other people to make it easy to follow up. And don't forget physical business cards as well, because they are great to pass when you're meeting someone literally on an elevator or in passing by and just want to quickly leave a lasting impression when you meet people at the conference. Day 3 of the conference. And most importantly, plan your follow-up strategy. After the conference, it's important to follow up with the contacts you've made. And I also like to take notes in my iPhone just so I remember if there's a highlight or something special that I discussed when speaking with someone, because you will meet a lot of people. So prepare a strategy for connecting on LinkedIn, sending personalized emails, or scheduling follow-up meetings. This will also help solidify the connections you made and potentially open up doors for new opportunities. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.